This is Dr. John Huang, West Chase Wellness Chiropractor. And again, we're going to do some muscle work in the thigh muscle. Here we go. How we're going to do it is I like to contact as I glide down and kind of put pressure on it. As I glide, work with these, once again, adductor muscles. And it's really a good way to break the adhesion up. A great way to do it, you get your leg up, and then as you go down, you breaking the scar tissue down as you go down here. Really, really awesome way to break the scar tissue down. There we go. So this is a good example of how we do it.